As the race for a successful COVID-19 vaccine heats up around the world, China's ties with Latin America are strengthening. Following a ministerial meeting between Latin American foreign ministries and Chinese consulates, China announced it will offer $1 billion in loans to regional governments, which will guarantee them access to Chinese vaccines once cleared for public consumption. The money could also be used for other projects to fight the coronavirus. Efraín Guadarrama, the Mexican Foreign Ministry's Director of Latin American Operations, says the move is of great benefit to the region.
We were 14 countries in total who now have the opportunity to present projects which will be financed by the Chinese government's credit. And I believe these loans will be destined for countries where medical infrastructure to deal with the pandemic has not been sufficient.
This new loan project follows already substantial donations from China of medical equipment and supplies needed to fight the COVID-19 outbreak in Latin America, among the hardest hit regions of the world. There are no clear indications of how this loan from China will be divided among the various countries here. Local analysts say they expect Latin American officials to work together on a plan to manage the funds, strengthening regional diplomatic ties in the process. Liliana Arsovska is one such China-LATAM relations expert and says the policy reflects China's diplomatic view of the region.
What's very interesting here is that China is saying, agree between yourselves and I'll wait for a proposal. And that is congruent with its foreign policy of multi-regionalism. Problems may exist between neighboring countries, but they aren't important to China. Rather, China sees a wider region which shares history, language, and a large territory, and which should be dealt with as such, as one region rather than individual countries.
Mexico's foreign ministry sees not only improved collaboration with its neighbours, but also with China, an important ally.
Without doubt, these offerings are clear examples of how our relationship with China is based on cooperation, equality, and a better living situation for people living here. So it's certainly a sign that China is seeking better relationships.
While vaccine candidates move ever closer to approval and countries around the world position themselves to get their share, the process looks to be drawing Latin America closer than ever to China. Alasdair Baverstock, CGTN, Mexico City.